So another new arrival here at Ross & Park Motors. Today we've got a Ford Focus. This is a 1.6 petrol sport. Really clean car. It's done 105,000 miles. Just all been machine polished, so it's looking lovely. Drives nicely. Very good history. Loads of bills and receipts with this one. Will be supplied by us with a service and a no MOT as well, and 3 months warranty. Nice spec, got rear privacy glass, got nicer wheels. We have got inside nice sort of sports trim. Factory sat nav, Bluetooth, aircon, heated screen, heated mirrors. Really nice spec. Now this is one of a choice that I've got at the moment. I have a black one as well, exactly the same, on an 11 plate. So have a look on the website for the choice of both. So there will be more pictures on the website. That's rossandparkmotors.co.uk, or give us a call 07868 722 133.